In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build websites and funnels in GoHighLevel. First, open your browser and head to the official GoHighLevel website, then sign in to your account dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click Sites. This is your hub for everything related to pages, whether you're building a traditional website or a high-converting funnel. Now, decide what you want to build. Choose funnels if you're focused on guiding visitors through a specific path, like from a landing page to checkout to a thank you page. Choose websites if you need a full site with multiple sections, navigation and broader content. Click Create New to start fresh. You can pick a blank option if you want full control, or speed things up with a template. Templates are great for learning the structure and then customizing it to your brand. Give your project a clear name so it's easy to find later. Next, add your pages. Click Add Page and set up the essentials, like a landing page to capture attention, a sales page to present your offer, and a thank you page to confirm actions and next steps. Open the page builder by clicking Edit on any page. You'll see a drag and drop interface where you can add text, images, buttons, and forms. Keep your copy concise, use high-quality visuals, and make your primary call to action stand out. Customize the layout so it matches your brand. Adjust spacing for readability, set colors and fonts for consistency, and structure sections so the content flows logically from top to bottom. Add forms and actions to make your pages work. Insert a form where you collect leads, or add a button that triggers an action. Set what happens when someone clicks or submits, such as submitting the form or redirecting to the next page in your flow. If you're using GoHighLevel via browser, you can find the official website link at the top of the description. Before going live, connect your domain. Head to Settings, then Domains, and assign your domain to the funnel or website you're building. This ensures your pages appear on a professional URL. When you're ready, click Publish. Your pages will go live. Visit each live page and test everything: forms, buttons, links, and navigation. Finally, review your funnel flow to make sure pages connect correctly, like landing to checkout to thank you, and that every action leads to the right next step. Thanks for watching.